Welcome back to ytutorA.D's Easy English class. Last time we talked about nouns, common nouns, and proper nouns. Today, we're still going to talk about it, but that would be another two types of nouns, singular nouns and plural nouns. So, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so let's start with singular nouns. So singular nouns refer to only one person, one thing, or one place. Now let's have some examples here. We have house, girl, a girl, umbrella, an umbrella, and we also have bee, a bee. Okay, now let's all add one more. We have also box, a box. Now for plural nouns, refer to more than one of something, or two or more, or many. Now let's have some examples too. We have here houses, girls, umbrellas, bees, boxes. So let's have some sentences here. She has 2 houses. There are 30 girls in the classroom. I have 2 umbrellas at home. There are lots of bees in the garden. She has 5 boxes in her bedroom. Okay, now, easy, right? Now let's check the difference between the two. So since singular nouns is only one, we don't add s or es after the word. While for plural nouns, okay, most singular nouns to become plural nouns, we just add s or es. Okay, now let's see here. We have house, houses. We add s. Girl, girls. Umbrella, umbrellas. Bee, bees. Box, boxes. So we have s or es. Easy, right? Okay, now let's talk more about plural nouns. Okay, so a while ago we talked about to add s or es for a singular noun to become plural nouns, right? Now, here we have two kinds of plural nouns. We have the regular plural nouns and the irregular plural nouns. Now, for the regular plural nouns, that is when we just add s or es. Okay, so we have here bees, right? Boxes. Okay, what else? Churches. What else? Girls. Okay, right? So it's easy to remember. We have S for bees, ES for boxes, ES for churches, and we have S for girls. Okay, always remember S or ES. What about for irregular plural nouns? Now, for irregular plural nouns, we change its spelling. Okay, we don't add or S or ES here. We change it. Okay, let's have some examples. We have person to become plural. We change it into people. We also have life, lives. Mouse, it becomes mice. We also have tooth. Now we change it into teeth. We also have foot. We change it into feet. Easy. Okay, so always remember for regular plural nouns, those were the words that we just add s or es, while irregular plural nouns, we change its spelling. It's like totally changed. Easy. Okay, well, I hope that you learned something today and you understand what we talked about. But if you haven't watched my previous video, please click the link in the description box below, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So see you next time. Bye!